Every day we consume a variety of foods. In the morning, a steaming cup of coffee and a hot plate of fried eggs provide us with quality carbohydrates and proteins. For lunch, many choose a chicken salad or a grilled beef sandwich. Come evening, a steak with roasted potatoes and steamed broccoli is the perfect reward after a day's work. These foods supply us with ample energy, and the components we're most familiar with include fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. But beyond these primary components, there's a crucial category of nutrients that's often overlooked: vitamins. Welcome to PapTips. In today's video, we're going to unravel the secrets of vitamins. We'll delve into the main functions of each vitamin and how to obtain them from food, and end with 5 tips on supplementing vitamins. Remember our motto: little tips, big differences. Let's get started. Vitamins may not provide energy directly like carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, but they play an indispensable role in maintaining our health and bodily functions. From boosting immunity to aiding in cell repair, from protecting vision to supporting bone health, and even maintaining skin radiance and slowing down aging, vitamins play a vital role in almost every bodily process. When you feel hungry, it's your body signaling the need to eat and replenish energy. But how does our body alert us when we're lacking vitamins? The answer is a bit more complex. To understand this, we need to grasp some basic knowledge about vitamins. Don't be afraid to use your brain. It's not as hard as it seems. Let's begin. Vitamins are a group of organic compounds that perform a multitude of critical functions in the body, such as aiding in cell growth, maintaining the immune system, keeping our skin and eyes healthy, and supporting the normal functioning of the nervous system. Unlike carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, vitamins don't produce energy. However, they play a key role in regulating the body's metabolism. Most vitamins cannot be synthesized by the body and must be ingested through diet or supplements. Our bodies require 13 essential vitamins, each playing a crucial role in metabolism, immune function, cell repair, and other vital physiological processes. Next, we'll introduce each vitamin, their functions, and how to obtain them from food. There's quite a bit of information, but don't worry about memorizing it all. We'll organize a table and place it in the video description below for your reference. Vitamin A's primary role is to maintain normal vision and support the health of skin, bones, and the immune system. A deficiency in vitamin A can lead to symptoms like night blindness, dry skin prone to infections, and a weakened immune response. Vitamin A exists in 2 forms: retinol, the active form of vitamin A, found mainly in animal-based foods like liver, fish oil, dairy products, and egg yolk. Beta-carotene, a precursor form of vitamin A, found in certain plant-based foods, especially orange and dark green vegetables and fruits like carrots, sweet potatoes, broccoli, and spinach. It's important to note that vitamin A is fat-soluble, and excessive intake can be harmful, so long-term high intake should be avoided. The B-group vitamins, yes, it's a group, encompass a range of crucial water-soluble vitamins, each playing a significant role in specific functions of the body. Vitamin B1, thiamine, is vital for energy metabolism and nervous system health, while B2, riboflavin, and B3, niacin, benefit the health of the skin, eyes, and digestive system. Vitamin B5, pantothenic acid, is a key factor in energy metabolism. B6, pyridoxine, is critical for protein metabolism and red blood cell production. Biotin, B7, helps maintain healthy skin and hair. Folic acid, B9, is crucial for DNA synthesis and cell proliferation. And cobalamin, B12, is essential for red blood cell formation and maintaining the nervous system. These vitamins are primarily obtained through whole grains, meats, beans, leafy greens, and dairy products. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is a potent water-soluble antioxidant essential for human health. It plays a significant role in promoting immune system function, enhancing skin health, speeding up wound healing, and increasing iron absorption. Vitamin C is also crucial for collagen synthesis, a key component in maintaining skin elasticity and joint health. Additionally, as an antioxidant, vitamin C helps protect cells from damage by free radicals. Foods rich in vitamin C in our daily diet include citrus fruits, strawberries, tomatoes, leafy greens, and peppers. Since vitamin C is water-soluble, the body cannot store large amounts. so it needs to be regularly ingested through diet or supplements to meet bodily needs. Vitamin D, sometimes called the sunshine vitamin, is a vital fat-soluble vitamin for the human body. It plays a key role in maintaining bone health, primarily by facilitating the absorption of calcium and phosphorus. Vitamin D is also crucial for maintaining normal immune system function and reducing the risk of certain chronic diseases. Our skin can naturally synthesize vitamin D through sun exposure, but in areas with little sunlight or during winter, people may need to obtain sufficient vitamin D through diet or supplements. Foods rich in vitamin D include oily fish, fish liver oil, dairy products, and egg yolk. Since vitamin D is fat-soluble, excessive intake can pose risks, so it's important to follow the advice of healthcare professionals when taking supplements. Vitamin E refers to a group of fat-soluble compounds with antioxidant properties crucial for maintaining overall health. As a potent antioxidant, it helps protect cells from damage by free radicals, which is important in preventing chronic diseases and cell damage during aging. Vitamin E also benefits the immune system and skin health, helping maintain skin elasticity and protect against UV damage. Foods rich in vitamin E in our daily diet include vegetable oils like wheat germ oil, sunflower oil, nuts, seeds, and leafy greens. Although vitamin E deficiency is rare in the general population, ensuring adequate intake through diet is still important. Like vitamin D, since vitamin E is fat-soluble, caution should be taken with high-dose supplements to avoid potential overdose risks. Vitamin K is another key fat-soluble vitamin, playing an important role in promoting blood clotting and maintaining bone health. It's essential for synthesizing several proteins responsible for clotting and regulating bone mineralization, preventing excessive bleeding, and supporting bone structural integrity. Vitamin K also plays a role in heart health and regulating certain inflammatory responses. There are two main forms of vitamin K, K1, phylloquinone, and K2, menaquinone. Vitamin K1 is primarily found in leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collards, while K2 is mainly produced by gut bacteria and found in some animal products and fermented foods like cheese, egg yolks, and fermented soy products. Generally, through a balanced diet, most people can ingest sufficient vitamin K. However, specific groups like those on long-term anticoagulant medications may need to pay special attention to their vitamin K intake, as it can affect the efficacy of the medications. You might have noticed that we mentioned water-soluble and fat-soluble vitamins. Water-soluble vitamins, including the B group vitamins and vitamin C, are those that the body cannot store easily and are readily excreted in urine, so they need to be regularly replenished through diet. Fat-soluble vitamins, including vitamins A, D, E, and K, can be stored in the body's fatty tissues and are not as easily excreted in urine, so excessive intake can lead to adverse health consequences. So how can we determine if we're deficient in a specific vitamin? Here are some ways to assess. 1. Pay attention to your body's signals. As we discussed earlier, a deficiency in certain vitamins can lead to noticeable physical changes. For example, a lack of vitamin D may cause bone pain and muscle weakness. Vitamin C deficiency might lead to gum bleeding and slow wound healing. Vitamin B12 deficiency can lead to fatigue, memory decline, and mood swings. And a vitamin A deficiency might cause night blindness and a decline in immune system function. These symptoms are your body's way of telling you that you might need to supplement these vitamins. 2. Assess your dietary habits. A varied and balanced diet usually provides most of the necessary vitamins. If your diet is limited or you have specific dietary restrictions, like being vegetarian, you might need to pay extra attention to certain vitamins. For instance, if you rarely eat fruits and vegetables, watch out for potential deficiencies in vitamin C, some B group vitamins, as well as vitamins A and E. These vitamins, predominantly found in fruits, vegetables, and nuts, are crucial for immune system, skin health, and nerve function. Vegetarians, in particular, should monitor their vitamin B12 intake, as this vitamin is primarily found in animal products like meat, fish, and dairy. 3. Be aware of high-risk groups. Certain high-risk groups are more likely to have specific vitamin deficiencies. For example, older adults may absorb vitamin B12 and vitamin D less efficiently and need to pay more attention to supplementing them. Pregnant and breastfeeding women have higher requirements for folic acid, vitamin B9, and vitamin D. It's important to note that folic acid plays a significant role in preventing neural tube defects and cleft lip, and should be increased during the pre-pregnancy stage. 4. Infants and young children. Infants and young children in their rapid growth phases need to ensure adequate vitamin D intake to promote calcium absorption, thus preventing rickets. 5. Follow doctor's advice. While the above self-assessment methods can alert us to potential vitamin deficiencies and the need to focus on vitamins in our diet, the most scientific approach is to consult your doctor if you suspect a deficiency. Doctors can check for specific vitamin deficiencies through blood tests and provide personalized recommendations. Do not self-medicate with high doses of vitamin supplements, as excessive intake of some vitamins can cause serious health risks. All right, now that we have a basic understanding of vitamins, the most important thing is we know the symptoms our body shows when lacking certain vitamins. Remember, you can always refer to the table in the video description for detailed information on each vitamin. Also, don't forget we are PapTips, and as usual, we'll give you 5 tips about vitamins. Tip 1. Balanced diet. A variety of fruits and vegetables are excellent sources of vitamin C and many B group vitamins. Ensure you're also consuming enough whole grains, beans, and nuts to guarantee sufficient B group vitamins and vitamin E. Animal-sourced foods like meats, fish, dairy, and eggs provide B12 and vitamin D. Additionally, regular sun exposure can help with the synthesis of vitamin D. A diverse diet will help ensure your body gets all the essential vitamins it needs. Tip 2. Consult a doctor. If you feel you might be deficient in vitamins, consider getting a professional medical evaluation to monitor the levels of vitamins in your body. The doctor will provide tailored advice based on the results. Tip 3. Vitamin supplements. There are many types of multivitamin supplements available, some claiming to be optimized for specific dietary habits of certain regions, and others designed to supplement specific groups, like vegetarians. Generally, taking these multivitamin supplements can be a convenient option, but make sure the products you buy are permitted for sale under local laws and regulations. However, these supplements should not be considered as substitutes for food. Tip 4. Special groups. For women planning to get pregnant and those in the early stages of pregnancy, supplementing with folic acid, vitamin B19, is widely recommended. Additionally, supplementing infants and young children with vitamin D is quite common in many regions. Tip 5. Safety concerns. Although vitamins are crucial for health, improper use can also pose risks. Overconsumption of certain vitamins, especially fat-soluble ones like vitamins A, D, E, and K, can lead to toxicity. Some vitamin supplements may interact with other medications and produce adverse effects. The safety of vitamin supplements is an important issue that needs careful consideration. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this content helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. We'll bring you more tips for your daily life. Goodbye.